drag.
Yellowfin tuna. Woo! We got 2 fish on the boat. This is dinner, baby. We're eating good tonight. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you. This is our 4th yellowfin. Fun to catch. Out here on vacation. Decided, and no regrets. I read these guys' reviews on TripAdvisor. They're the #1 on TripAdvisor. That says a lot about a company. The blue sky combo, man.
Wow.